3:55. Let's get it. Driving to the airport, 4:10 in the morning.
Now where the hell is this car driving from?
Buggus. Look at that fucking cute ass. That's so bad. What's the color?
Wait, Model X.
Bubba's. Hey. Polar Express style.
Better than the green food.
Sets of light at the top
Yeah.
are dead level. I mean, you could not be any more level than
That's good building right there.
That's what I said. I mean, I know the developers. I know the general superintendent that builds them, Tim Wallace and Mike Lynch. That would be something they would be good about. 10, 15, 7 years of snow, which is pretty cool.
Yeah.
But you know, it's supposed to rain all night and for an hour or two in the morning after the sun comes up. And then the sun is supposed to come out. Technically, it could be all gone. But
That's crazy. That's all ice.
well, you know what? When I was a kid in the 60s, I grew up right in this area,
Yeah.
they would turn that.
There's many uses for that in Belgium.
He's going to go to the tree, I think. He's probably got a nest in there somewhere, because they're here all the time.
Yeah. That's funny.
Yeah. It's underground, eh?
Yeah. Not servicing the house from the backyard for sure.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
You can definitely see this.
He's not doing anything. See, he was not looking in the window at us. Oh, he's just salting.
Hello, Nana.
Hello. Hello, Kevin.
Hello.
What are you doing?
A little video for the family. A little bit of a
Nice, sunny, cold day.
yes. We got super cold. Look, how cold is it? Minus 12. Wow.
I mean, now, in places like West, it's, minus 23 or whatever.
Yeah, it's cold. New light for Nana.
Yeah, nice new light.
Nice new light.
So nice.
Delivering packages. Christmas presents are late this year.
Thanks, Canada Post.
Yeah. We used to have a postman. He won't be walking in this cold weather, I know that. Yeah. And we do. His hips are a while. It'd be nice to be on this. See, Michael usually checks it on Sundays.
You're just under half a tank, so you should be fine.
I should be fine, but
Maybe we'll get it on the way back.
yeah.
It's left. This way, right?
Well, you could have went that way, but I go this way and take the shortcut.
No worries.
It's not really a long shortcut. Up here you turn.
Nice little car.
Left.
Reminds me of a work car.
Yeah? Yeah, I like it. This is supposed to be for seniors. This is a new stuff.
So we used to always walk up here, Rachel, and then we go left here, walk around. Not much of a sidewalk to walk on.
There's only on one side.
Yeah. And they're not clearing it over the way.
No, they're not.
You walk on the road.
Which is, it's pretty icy. I wouldn't want to.
And then here's where some sledding happened and some King of the Hill football and some
Everything there.
play park. Where's the play park?
It's on the other side.
Go to the playground.
I see it.
They come down here and they used to fly all the
Yeah, we used to end up on the other side of the road.
straight through and we turn right. And this is what we call Counter Street. You can see it's busy.
And Ryan's mom used to live
Right where Brian and Dana live now. Right where?
no, here.
Yeah.
And-
29.
So they're living there now.
Yeah.
So they sold their place and
Yeah. Yep, they did.
ours gonna wait.
And this might be Mulrooney. No, it's not. He's got one of these. Yeah, that's Danny. Danny's business.
Waste management.
Yeah.
Alright, here we
And you can get over on that after up here. Well, wait, we're going back right now.
go. I can.
Because we're going to turn on down.
You know where you're going.
Yeah, I
It'll
hope so.
it'll come back to me in a bit.
Oh, it will. Yeah. Don't go there.
What happened to the corner store? It's gone.
Well, I don't know. There's a whole bunch of things. We're all right. You can go. There, it's coming now. Of course. I couldn't see it right there. Or there. I couldn't see it.
You got lots of time.
Yeah. It's good to be cautious.
I got precious cargo.
Yes, of course.
Through the limestone. Little Christmas tree farm.
Yes. This is here, as you can see.
Yeah.
Mulrooney. I am.
Oh my God. Gavin said, oh no. He said, he's getting too big. He's getting too big. Yeah. He's big.
Mulrooney Metals.
This is his too. And then we stop there. Hope he's quick fire.
That's awesome.
One little shop right
A lot of memories here.
there. Yeah.
A lot of memories here.
No cars here.
Uh-oh, they came looking for us.
They got lots of sand. Well, Roger Woods is. He doesn't have a car, he has a truck. Couple of trucks, so we're the first ones. Oh, there we are.
They stay there?
There's the boss. Looks like he's checking us out with a tall bit. You get back there.
Hello, Rip.
It's freezing out here. Welcome, honey. Nice to see you. Come on in. Kevin, welcome.
Oh, it's so good to see you.
Nice to see you as well. Thank God you're here.
Yes, we had a little bit of a detour. Missed the road, but it's all good. What are you doing? What are you doing, Rip?
In the summertime would be perfectly fine. Yeah. That's right. Good choice. Yeah. Beautiful. Bye. Oh.
She just gave you some. She just gave you some food, Rip.
Yep, she did. I think he's just still trying to cool down.
That's awesome. Okay, well I'll start the car here.
Yeah, well, start it and then go.
There though. You stay. You stay. You stay. Hey, Rip. Hey, Rip. Hey, Rip.
A perfectly planned day. That's right, we'll be popping up at festivals and events all over town. Like that one cousin who never RSVP'd, but always shows up anyway.
It's going.
You got your coat on.
No, it's okay.
Don't touch it. Rippy.
No. Everyone get in there. Anna,
Get over
squeeze
here and
in.
get set up.
Squeeze in, then I'll have to see how well she'll work.
You come back with me. You can be in the picture. Come here. Come here.
Get in there, Rachel.
Scarf. Oh, he's so sweet. He loves the attention, Rachel.
And I love giving it.
That's perfect. Anna, get in there.
I miss my
Mom, I got my coat on. That's all right. Get in here, Mom. In front of the tree. Here beside Rachel. I'll be on the outside.
To what? Yeah.
Oh wow, you can. You can see way above our heads too. It doesn't look like it. It looks like
Smile. And I'll take a photo out of it. It's a super high def camera, so
Oh, wow.
it'll.
I'm not
it'll
showing
look
like
good.
that.
Yeah, maybe I can turn it down.
More
too.
wrinkles? Yeah, can you soften it up?
In the house. We're in the house. Don't be cold. Thank you.
It is nice.
It is. The sun is beautiful.
Love you lots. Have a good one.
Is there cars down there at the garage? No.
No, just a bunch of.
It's well just snow plowing truck. I don't know where his truck is. Maybe it's in the garage.
That's what he's still plowing with?
No, down there. The half ton. You know that? That's a souvenir.
Yeah.
These both are. Kevin liked that.
Yeah, I remember.
Yeah.
Yeah, lots of time running out here. Honestly, it looks a lot smaller than I remember it.
I know.
That's so crazy.
You were smaller.
I was smaller. I remember it was like, oh, cow, all the way out there.
I know.
A lot of time down this road too.
That driveway's icy.
But it's super icy. Hold on, guys.
There is ice on the sides. Look at that. And there's no sand on
We're
that.
just going easy. I think we know how to get back too.
Oh yeah. You do a turn up here. 3.
Oh, don't say that.
No. No, this was Kevin. He
Oh,
didn't
yeah.
say, oh, we got lots to get home.
Holland Electric.
Yeah. Oh, you might scare them off the road. Oh, no, maybe not. No. Oh, up there. See, there's water there. This is water. What's today? They're working.
Tuesday.
Yeah.
Good old boy.
See ya. I don't know who he is. He said, I don't know who he is.
Oh, they're working on that truck.
That's what they
think my dad was the favorite.
I had a chair that looked exactly like this.
And then this is the cool stuff. Look at all this old stuff.
Brian's bar, drink at your own risk.
Johnny Walker. Free lunch. $5, 5-cent beer. Heineken. Papa Smurf. Toronto Blue Jays World Series.
Look at these old cans. We still have beer in them, Kevin.
Yeah. Someone got a little thirsty. This is a whole 6-pack of Daytona. Harley Davidson.
1991.
Oh, Bubba, this isn't beer. This is Coca-Cola.
Oh, I just assumed.
Pop. Tonic water. Who even knows what that is? Jesus, Lord.
By appointment.
Yeah. Oh my God, look at these photos. This is history. It's like walking into a time capsule. Are those polar bears? What the hell are those? Are they wolves?
Puppies. That's the dog puppy.
My dad at his christening, or whatever that is.
Is this your dad?
Yeah. I'll drop you people off right in front. It's 5:15. No, when you say your city, is that Victoria? Or Courtney? Yes. There's another homestead building here. These are all homestead buildings.
Wow.
Another one here. This whole street's homestead.
Gee, they own it all.
Well, Mr. Smith told me 40 years ago, he says, I can build on Princess Street. He says, if I can build one block, east or west of it, or north or south, my taxes are less.
Yeah.
Because he said you pay a premium to be on Princess. So he was like, that's simplicity, right?
That makes sense.
Up here is our city hall.
Way up top, way up top.
Yep.
It's up for sale if you want to buy it.
Yeah. I'll start saving my pen.
Start saving everything.
Might have to crowdfund that.
Yes.
It's not that pretty tonight.
I would have thought they would have
a little bit.
in the season.
You know something?
It's very dark down here. Oh, here's a trolley car up here. Or a
that's
trolley car. It's a white one. We have red and we have white.
Yeah.
We could follow them, but I don't know if we're gonna. Because the other one,
Always working on it.
they left the boat they're working on.
They
They need an electrician down there, Kevin. They
Yeah.
need you. This is where the junior A hockey team.
Is that
plays.
prison?
No,
Well,
that's
here's the traffic light cloud if you want to stand under it. But here's the hat.
The hip.
The dog. So you could be the eye of it.
Yep. The hip.
doing that.
There's a
though.
guy blowing his nose there.
Yeah, I'm going to make a left turn here, and then you'll see them. They're young. Yeah, they grow up a little bit.
Beautiful. And that's where we were.
Now, if this looks familiar, it is. We just drove down this road.
Yep.
It's not on the water. The yacht club is in behind it. Right there, that's an old. They put about $25 million into that one there.
Yeah. It's like a,
Not for 28.
Well, they got it for sale for 25.
So dull.
Recently was sold and turned into a Queen's office building.
really.
But look at it, eh? Isn't that amazing?
Yeah, it's very presidential.
Oh,
The wraparound porch all
yep,
the way
all
around.
the way around. Isn't that nice?
Yeah, that's nice.
Like stayed in the family for like 2 generations, maybe 3. There's Kingston General Hospital right there.
Is this the hospital?
Yep.
That
Boy.
He sure is.
That's
Yeah.
good. I
Isn't
like
that a beautiful thing?
That's a good job.
Is,
Look at the wind moving those things around, though.
Well, the last few days, you know, holy moly.
their driveway looks like Blair House.
Although he has a young family, not young, they're workers now, but they'll probably spend Christmas with them and then they take it off. They used to go away for 5 or 6 over there. But it's pretty dark.
And you've got.
You see a little bit.
Oh my gosh, maybe 20 years ago. There's nobody home.
No, they don't even have a light on in there.
Well,
They haven't got many lights on.
It's all closed up for the night.
There's the new hall being built.
Whoa, that's new.
It's big.
It's going to be nice.
Yes, it is. Oh, $3 million.
Remember Dexter would say,
Dexter, I'll go up this road. Dexter used to call this Candy Lane.
Everyone is like the most extravagant
Oh my
Christmas
God.
decorations you've ever
exactly.
It's quiet here though this year.
Well, I think a lot of, see, we had snow the very first week of December. And I think people might have got caught saying, uh-oh, we're not going to get...
Well, they're missing lots of guys.
They're probably
so-
calling up half the Marleys tonight.
That's what. I said the exact same
It's
thing.
exactly Scooby-Doo. Minnie, though, because Scooby-Doo was last night.
Really?
Yep. Yeah, they don't fool around. Like, they're not going to break the crane down and leave it sit somewhere. Snow plowing operation. Oh, it looks like they've...
Getting on an airplane, I think, oh my God, well, that's luggage. You know, there's a lot of luggage on this.
Air Canada. Vous souhaiteriez un de sa bonne destination de Vancouver?